Right now I'm going to show you guys how you can record videos for your recorder karate belts. What you're going to do is you're going to go to your music teacher's course in Schoology, and you are going to find the music that you need. Now this should be saved as a JPEG. So here I'm in a sample class. I'm going to open up Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. And it might take a minute to download. You'll see that it's backwards, and that's on for purpose. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press the share arrow, and I'm going to press save image. And this is going to save it to my camera roll. If it asks for permission, make sure you press OK and all of that. So once I've saved that to my camera roll, I'm going to go to the green screen by DoInk app. And you might have to search for it or get it from your app portal. And I'm going to start a new project. So I'm just going to go to the plus sign, create a new project. And on the middle layer, I'm going to put the live camera, and it's going to flip it around and show me, hey. Okay, and then on the top layer, I'm going to put that image that I just saved. So I'm going to press plus, and I'm going to press image. And then I'm going to find that music that I just downloaded. It was Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, and I'm putting it in backwards, and you'll see that when I put it in backwards it actually flips it around. Now I'm gonna just pinch it and resize it and move it off to the side so that I can see the notes. And then you'll grab your recorder and you'll make sure that you are visible. So if this was a recorder, it'd be like Host Playing It, and you just press record, and it'll record and start recording you. You can play your song, and then once you're done, so this is recording, I'm gonna press that plus sign and then save it to my camera roll and upload it back to Schoology, and that's how you do it.